Hello sir, papaliwanag ko po ang appropriate PPE para sa electricity katulad ng hard hat, gloves, safety glasses or eye goggles, ear muff or earplug, work boots or protective footwear, respirator or hazmat suit. That's only the common type of PPE. Papaliwanag ko ang electrical tools or basic electrical tools. Voltmeter or multimeter. A voltmeter is used to read voltage level by verify that circuits are alive or off. Unlike circuit tester, this tool gives you a reading on how much voltage is being carried. More sophisticated form of the tool are known as multimeter, and they can not only read voltage but also amperage, resistance, and DC voltage and amperage. Wire striper. Wire striper are used to cut and stripe insulation from electrical wire. A wire striper tool has a raw size of gauge for striping different size. Pliers. Better electrical hand tools like a wire cutter, Leisman's pliers have insulated handle to help guard against shocks. Screwdriver can be used to loosen or tighten screw. It's classic head screwdriver in various and shape. Tape measure. Tape measure when working wire. It is essential to know exact measure when cutting and striping a simple electrical tape measure does. Another essential spiritual tool is a pair of needles. Pliers, also called a long nose plier. It will be used for bending and twisting wire. Whenever you're making a screw terminal connection, the long narrow tip makes this a great tool for detail work. Most needle nose plier also include cutting jaw and for typing wires. Hacksaw. The wire gauge can be used to measure from garage 0 to 36 hacksaw. Hacksaw can be used to cut metal contact and armor cable. Wrench. The monkey wrench is the best known form of adjustable spanner, open-ended spanner. A utility knife. Your utility knife or box cutter are handy for cutting sheeting from non-metallic Romex cable to cut ball and electrical tape and opaque card box. And there are many more electrical tools that you can use. Next, let's explain what a circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch, designed to protect an electrical circuit from caused by exercise current from an overload or a short circuit. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow after fault is detected. Type of circuit breaker. There are three basic circuit breaker variants: standard breaker, which include both single and double fault circuit breaker, the ground fault circuit breaker, circuit interrupter circuit breaker or GFCIS, and an arc fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker or AFCIS. Next, let's explain switch and type of switches. In electrical engineering, a switch is an electrical component that can disconnect or connect the conducting path in electrical circuit, interrupting the electrical current or diverting it from one conductor to another. Type of electrical switches and their importance. 1. A single pole switch has one input and output. It has two states, on or off. They can be wired either normally open or normally closed and can be either latching or mortary. There are two types of single pole switch. These are single pole single throw and single pole double throw. And in a two-way switch, there are two one-way switch combined, and one of the terminal can be connected to either of the two, but not both at the same time. That advantage two-way switch is the ability to control a single device from two separate locations. 3. A dimmer device connected to light fixture and used to lower the brightness of the light by changing the voltage waveform applied to the lamp. It is possible to lower the intensity of the light output. 4. Bell push, a button that is pushed to ring. Push button push an electrical switch and operate by pressing the elevator and was operated by push button and push beside the bell operated buzzer at the desk.